In our news headlines for today, Regg boy Mattocks was involved in a 3-vehicle collision. And in other news, the mother of Kaylan, Dowdie, has said that she is receiving some serious statements against her daughter. The Butlers will attend court on January 11th to answer for some serious matters. The younger Butler, who is a former national youth footballer, has been charged with a dangerous situation and is to appear in court on the same day as his father, the senior Butler, who will be answering to a similar charge on January 11th in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court in Halfway Tree. The police have served Butler with a summons on Wednesday, with the charge being formally laid against him. The senior Butler had already received his summons with a similar charge. They are both alleging the same issue. His father had hoped to work it out within the confines of the family court, but he also hopes that mediation will bring the matter to an end. He is hoping for a good transition, and he had waited long to make the decision to move forward with a summons against his child. So this is a cross case, outlined the attorney, who is representing the senior Butler, the chief executive officer of the football academy. The father realized that the only way to force dialogue was with the help of a judge and a mediator. It is never the purpose of defense counsel to disrupt the family unit, and they are of the view that this case will be settled once dialogue starts. The younger Butler is being represented by Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Finson. We have been in dialogue with the learned Queen's Counsel. A month ago, the younger Butler dropped a huge piece of information on social media that he had been enduring years of physical and mental hurt at the hands of a man. The information from the footballer's social media page mentioned that he said he was going to speak the truth. Then he issued a response 40 minutes later saying that he had had enough of this hurt and it is time that the person understands and learns what he is going through. During his online statements, the 22-year-old Butler, who represented Jamaica at the under-23 level, showed 2 fresh hurt, which he said he received during an incident while training at Mona High School in St. Andrew. He further added that, "I guess you can pick up the reason." The talented footballer, who played in Belgium and Malta, said he was often absent from school as a child because of the hurt he claims he had experienced. "I really don't want to put this out in the media, but you should all know the pain and the hurt that I have been enduring since I was 9, that my mother has been enduring as well." The senior Butler has vehemently denied the allegations that have been leveled against him, claiming in a response that the younger Butler has been challenged by a number of issues. In the midst of it all, the mother of the younger Butler has come out in support of her child. Miss Buckley, who is the mother of Kaylan Dowdie, has said that she has been told by many individuals that they are making plans to cause harm to her. She said that she has made a report to the police, who have been investigating the allegations. She is applauding the efforts of the police in relation to the matter. Whether it was serious, you don't make these serious statements at a time like this when I am going through a situation like this. You don't make these caustic statements, whether it is serious or in a joke, or it doesn't matter. I am not going to take it lightly. According to Miss Buckley, she has taken steps to protect herself, while making it public on social media to make the planners aware that their intent is known. Miss Dowdie had been hospitalized at the University Hospital of the West Indies since the night of Saturday, November 17th, when 5 or 6 females allegedly caused harm to her at an illegal party. 5 of these women who allegedly took part in that activity have been arrested and charged. They are 28-year-old MacLeod, otherwise called Kima, 33-year-old Aldridge, 45-year-old Vassal, 22-year-old Williams, otherwise called Rusty, and 26-year-old Lewis, otherwise called Chrissy. They were all at an illegal party in the Barbican Road area in St. Andrew, in a breach of the pandemic guidelines that have been set out by the government to contain the spread of the pandemic. Since then, The young lady, Miss Dowdie, has undergone 2 major surgeries and her medical status has been upgraded by the doctors from critical to stable. Yesterday, it was announced that she was making steady progress. It is quite sad to hear that her mother is receiving these caustic statements from external sources. One of Jamaica's reggae boys was involved in a 3-vehicle collision. National footballer Darren Mattocks was involved in a 3-vehicle collision at the intersection of Shortwood and Constant Spring Roads in St. Andrew on Wednesday. It is understood that minutes after 10 p.m., Mattocks was driving his BMW X6 along Constant Spring Road towards Dunrobin Avenue when the vehicle collided with a Honda Stream motor car near the stoplight at the Shortwood Road intersection. According to police reports, the Honda Stream was coming in the opposite direction and turning onto Shortwood Road. The collision pushed the Honda Stream into a Toyota Prado. The driver of the Honda Stream was taken to hospital, while Mattocks and the driver of the Prado appeared unhurt. The condition of the injured driver was unknown up to the time of December 29th. The footballer Darren Mattocks has scored 18 times in 50 internationals for the Jamaica Reggae Boys team. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the matters that have been discussed in this session. What of the situation between the younger and the senior butler? They will be going to court on January 11th to have a discussion about the matters that they cannot resolve within the family unit or the family court for that matter. And of course, what of the reggae boy who almost lost his life in a 3-vehicle collision after 10 o'clock at that? That would be after curfew hours. And as well, what do you think of the caustic statements that have been made against Miss Buckley, the mother of Kaylan Dowdie? And it makes you wonder, are these persons also issuing these caustic statements against Miss Dowdie, who is currently hospitalized and fighting for her life? Doctors have now moved her status from critical to stable. She's making recovery. She has been through a lot for a young person, and for her to be trying to recover amidst the issues that have now presented themselves, with her mother receiving these serious statements coming from individuals. Well, she has done the correct thing. She has reported same to the police. It makes you wonder if the individuals who are issuing these caustic statements are related in any way to the individuals who caused harm to Kaylan Dowdie in November 2020 at the illegal party. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave your comments down below, and I would like to wish you a happy New Year's Day and of course best wishes as 2021 rolls on. Have a good day. Thanks for watching and goodbye.